The interpreter was told it was González, Alex Sánchez González. Mr. Sánchez González confirmed it.
That's correct.
Well, let me see here. Well, let me explore further. He was booked in as Alex Sánchez Gómez.
Dice que cuando ustedes le ficharon como Alex Sánchez Gómez.
But he says his name is Alex Sánchez González.
Pero usted dice que su nombre es Alex Sánchez González, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
He was booked in as Alex Sánchez Gómez.
Cuando le ficharon el arresto, lo pusieron bajo Alex Sánchez Gómez.
They had well, in here you're also referred to as Alex Sánchez González.
También se refiere a usted aquí como a Alex Sánchez González.
And Constantine has you listed as Alex Sánchez González.
En Constantine aparece bajo el nombre Alex Sánchez González.
But the prosecutor charged you as Alex Sánchez Gómez.
Pero la gente del Ministerio Público presentaron los cargos contra Alex Sánchez Gómez.
But it looks like it got changed at the jail by the sheriff's department.
Parece que lo cambiaron en la cárcel bajo el departamento del sheriff.
All right. At any rate, if Mr. Gonzalez or Mr. Gomez, Mr. George, what is our status here?
Como quiera, licenciado George, ¿qué es lo que vamos a hacer aquí hoy día?
Your Honor, this matter is also not resolved. We would ask this to be set on the January date would be fine with us as well.
Este caso no ha sido resuelto. Una fecha en enero sería bien también.
The complainant here is your sister-in-law?
La denunciante es su cuñada.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Well, we also need to straighten out your name.
También tenemos que arreglar lo de su nombre.
All right. That was a lot of time to spend for 2 adjournments, but I think it's probably appropriate.
Eso es mucho tiempo para pasar para 2 aplazamientos, pero creo que sea apropiado.
Vivian, would you pencil in Thursday, January 8th at 2 o'clock?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Senor Gonzalez, this matter is continued January 8th at 2 o'clock.
Señor Sánchez González, esta audiencia va a ser postergada hasta el 8 de enero a las 2 de la tarde.
Is Mr. Lull not here?
I haven't seen him, Your Honor. I do have some information regarding him, though. I'd like to be able to come.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. Are you Bill Travis Eugene Black?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Black, you're charged with assault and battery. Allegation is you punched some guy named Joe Mishka in the face. Assault and battery is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Ms. Stoll, is there a plea offer here?
There is not, Your Honor.
Mr. George, what's our status here?
Your Honor, this matter is not resolved today. We would ask that this matter be set for the same last pretrial date in January. Does look like there might be some digital evidence that we'd like to be able to take a look at and have some further negotiations with the prosecutor.
All right. Sometimes these kinds of cases are reduced to disturbing the peace. I don't know too much about this. I don't know how bad this guy was injured. He claimed you just sucker punched him. That's assault and battery. Digital evidence, I'm not sure what that would be, but again, this got set in fairly short order after you posted a $300 bond. Mr. Black, are you working somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Where's that?
Michigan rotational loading in Constantine.
I think you told me that before. How long you been there?
Approximately 2.5 months.
I'm not exactly sure what they do there, but we seem to have a lot of guys working there.
It's a plastic loading company.
You have a valid driver's license?
No, sir.
How do you get back and forth?
I have a from work.
Yeah.
It's just down the street. I either get a ride or I walk.
Oh, good. You live right in Constantine.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's a good gig for you. White Pigeon Street, Constantine. All right, good for you. This will be Thursday, January 8th, 2026. The next day I leave on a trip at 2 p.m. Are you missing work right now? Are you missing work right now?
No, sir. Sorry.
What shift are you on?
Third.
All right, well, you're missing sleep. All right, put that on your refrigerator. Your lawyer will probably give you an additional notice. But we will deal with this on January 8th at 2 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Do you know my grandma or Barb Kinney?
Yes.
Yeah. I was told that you know her, so
Well, she knows everybody,
yeah.
and she had about 110 adopted kids,
Yeah.
and she's gone out of her way all of her life to help people. So you call her your grandma?
Yeah, foster grandma, but yeah,
Yeah, tell her I said hello.
I will.
He's not in our jail. Mr. George, what's the status here?
Your Honor, he has contacted, I haven't been in the office since this morning, so I've been in court most of the day today, but he has contacted our office indicating that he did not have a notice for today's hearing. I believe that these were mailed last week and emailed if we had those addresses. I know Mr. Lowell specifically, this was a transfer case from another attorney. So I think there might be just some paperwork issues here. I'm just concerned whether he has notice for today's hearing. So I don't know if the court would be willing to set this for another pretrial. This was one that was reset from last Friday.
All right, no insurance and driving suspended 252275 will reset LPT for January 8th at 2 o'clock. We shouldn't be putting too much else on January 8th because our next pretrial is January 2nd.
Okay.
I would set anything from January 2nd to January 8th, but it looks like that day will be devoted mostly to your clients.
And I do believe that is Howard Bush has part of that case, Your Honor. I believe a couple of them are under ordinance. I don't know if the prosecutor took over all of them or what the situation is there. But
Right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We set 2 more, 6. And we can add a 6 in an aggregate. All right, we set LPT. For January 8th, 2026 at 2 p.m. All right, then let's talk about Cassandra Stratton. She is charged with malicious destruction of property over 200, less than 1,000. We had stipulated to adjourn this. This is another one of those days we moved off the pretrial. I thought something else was going on with Miss Stratton. She owes $907 with unpaid fines and costs. Mr. George, what do you know about this one?
I think we're in a similar circumstance, Your Honor. I know that we emailed and mailed the notice. It looks like from the notes in here that we have had contact with her. Obviously, she's not here today. Just a similar concern. We didn't have any call from her today, but I just have similar concern based on the status of the case.